You use this as a base plate, create a bit of a notch in it here, just to make a little indentation. Start it off. A little pinch of sand or gravel. Let's put on there, it's going to create even more friction and heat. And then as you create an ember, you'll drop down into the tinder and you get it flaming. Time initially, just build up that heat and keep the drips of sweat off, falling onto the ember. Building up the heat and building up that friction. And then once you've got that heat, you can then start really putting in the effort and start to speed it up a bit. Okay. Let's tip that in. Gather this up gently. There's no hurry at this stage. This ember will keep burning for a little bit.
So what I'm going to do is use this yucca to make a fire saw. And a fire saw is just a friction fire, and this yucca is really good for this because it's light and it's really dry wood. And all I need to do is break it here, then remove the base and start to split the wood into strips. Cut out 2 pieces, about 12 inches long. Dried grass, put it against 1 piece of the yucca, bit of stone on one side and the same on the other, so there can be an airflow between the 2 bits of wood, and press that against itself so it's like that, and then just bind that. Wrap one end tight, do the same thing at the other end, and the job is done. Fire saw built, and then all I did with this was again just peel it away from the main branch, and that then acts as the fire saw that I actually drive with to create the friction. Now to put it to the test. It's really important to do this so the base of this isn't going to wobble. And here we go, so it's pretty solid there now. And I just take the fire saw and start to move it along it. The great thing about using yucca, it's got the lowest ignition temperature of any of the woods around here, which makes it ideal. And yeah, look at that. And once you got to this stage, this ember is actually going to keep burning, so the tire pressure comes off. And now I'm just poking it through the bottom there, tipping it in there. Once the ember's surrounded by a good bundle of dried grass, it literally goes up in flames. There we go. Whoa. Okay, we've got fire. Flame going. Take a bit of fat pine and just scrape off some shavings. And that should take a spark. Even in the extreme humidity of the jungle floor, the resin's so flammable that it will light straight away.